Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I will teach you how to light this and this. They are two-tone LED bulb. One is white, one is orange. It has no switchback function. So what I'm gonna try to do is use the white as a park light mode, and orange as the signal light mode. Okay, this one is a bar end. That is two color of LED. One is orange, one is white. So if you power it, you power the bulb, one is white, one is orange, but you can't if you power both LED, they will light together. See? If you light the both LED, they will light together. So they cannot be separated, and both lines have power. Same goes to this one. Okay. See, orange and white. Okay. So in this video, I will teach you how to simply connect this and make them independent. You can use the white as spark light by switch. You can use switch on your motorcycle like this to turn the park light on and off, while as you can use the amber or the orange can act as your signal light. Okay, here is the diagram of the said module. Right? You will only be needing 3 components that will make up the module. Okay? As I said, one relay, one capacitor, and one diode. That's it. So let's build. Okay, by following the diagram, we came up with this. And this is your park light signal light module. Okay. So here is the relay, here is the capacitor, and here is the diode. So this and this is your switch. Okay? This is the switch for the relay. This is normally closed. The relay is not energized, and this too is closed. Means this is shorted. Okay, this is shorted. So this will go to your park light, and this will go to your signal light. Okay. This will go to your turn placer switch. Turn placer switch, right? And this is your park light supply. Right? you will put switch on your, of course, on your motorcycle to turn on and off your park light. So you need two of these, to the left and to the right side of your signal lights. Okay. Now we will connect it. Okay, in this example, I'm gonna use the radar headlight, or the Satria 150 headlight, fitted with bicolor LED, orange and white. So let's turn on the power of the park light. Park light on. Park light off. Park light on. Park light off. Now we turn on the signal light. So there's your signal light. Left. Okay. Now we turn on the park light. So without the module, when you turn on the park light, the light of the white will not turn off without the module. And since we added the module, we turn on the signal light, right? And see, as you can see, the white light turns off since we have two modules on each side. Okay. Turn off the signal light again. Automatic, the park light will turn on. Left. Never mind the blinking, because I only use a single line of LED. You add another LED at the back, it will stabilize. Turn off. Okay. So we turn off the park light and we turn on the signal light. See, it will act as normal signal light if there's no park light. So other side. So that is how to make an automatic park light off module for a bicolor LED. Okay. And again, just follow the diagram on how to make it, and it will work even with bulbs. You have bulb with two filament. Okay. Either way, because you are using a relay, so the load wattage can handled by your relay contact. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more video coming. Thank you.